Hello kids, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. So just tell me, do you like brushing your teeth? Hmm? Yes, we have to brush our teeth. What will happen if you don't brush your teeth 2 times a day? Tell me. You will get cavity. Do you know kids how to keep your teeth clean? Yes, brushing. So first, put a little toothpaste on your toothbrush. Brush your bottom teeth. Brush your top teeth. Now brush the back and front of every tooth. Yes, very good. Rinse your mouth with water. Now do some kulla. Look at your teeth. Now they are sparkly clean. See? Yes. How to make brushing teeth fun? Yes. So we can sing a song like brush, brush, brush your teeth, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Thank you for watching.